Now, boss a promotion for you. Now we have this gentleman at Christmas and I'm doing sale. Advertise your thing. What you sell?
I go and sell some charger.
Yeah? Charger alone you sell?
Yeah, some hand drive charger.
Yeah? So how much for charger?
Right now I want with 3.5, 2.5
Yeah?
and 2 grand.
Yeah. So you have anything you want to say for big up, you nobody you want to big up a foreign or a yard? Who you want to big up?
Big up the police them.
Yeah.
Up on my unit.
Yeah.
Right now I bossy police force and them
Yeah.
start me out and them don't want to start me. But you don't know me I give them time because they say I want 1 month time.
So where do I name? Where do I name?
K then call me.
K.
Yeah, my mother for the private phone. My father for the private phone.
Anyway, me I go sing a song. I want to say if you know it. Zin, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a
3.
You know the song?
No.
Come on, man. K, you say you run the thing, man. You must can done the little song. Like, you don't know Jingle Bell.
Yeah, jingle bell.
You don't know Jingle
Yeah,
Bell.
what we have to do is songs.
No, man, you must know one line out of a song, K. Come on, man. You not to know it.
Yeah.
All right, so you say you do some work.
I go and hustle, man, to save a life, to save a bird.
Yeah. So that you have planned for the holiday, straight hustling.
Yeah, I do nothing more. I mean, I don't come and go and around nobody.
No, we're not encourage that.
I make me just
Yeah.
pound and rice and go on my bed and no
Yeah.
like that.
All right, K, we wish you all the
Police
best.
never run me down.
No. Yeah.
They have something for me for a long time. They might be talking to me.
Yeah. Anyway, I wish K all the best. Same way. Christmas,
did.
£1 of rice, him say, and that is fine. If that's what make K happy. Make K happy. Hello, pretty girl. Watch her take care of herself. All right, there you have it. K want a pound of rice for holiday, and we'll give him a pound of rice.